Subscribe to Kishore Tech Solutions. Did you know that over 70% of software developers have reported gaining visibility and opportunities through YouTube? That's right. This platform is not just for cat videos and beauty tutorials anymore. It's become a game changer for tech professionals looking to showcase their skills and connect with a larger audience. Asterisk, 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 asterisk. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the evolving landscape of YouTube's algorithm and what it means for us as software developers. If you're looking to grow your audience and make your mark in this competitive space, you definitely don't want to miss this. Presentation of problem challenge. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The challenge of getting noticed amidst the ocean of content on YouTube. With millions of videos being uploaded every single day, it can feel like you're shouting into a void. You might have the best tutorials or coding tips, but if your videos aren't being seen, what's the point? And here's where the algorithm comes in. YouTube's algorithm is constantly changing, and these changes can significantly impact your visibility. If you're not adapting, you could be left behind. So how do you make sure your hard work pays off and doesn't just get lost in the shuffle? Exploration development. Let's dig a little deeper into those algorithm updates. YouTube has been focusing more on viewer engagement and watch time. This means that it's not just about how many views your video gets, it's about how long people are actually watching your content. So, what can you do to leverage these updates? First off, focus on creating engaging content that keeps your audience hooked. Consider using storytelling techniques to make your coding tutorials more relatable. Also, don't forget about video quality. Better production values can make a big difference. Think about your titles and thumbnails. Are they eye-catching? Do they clearly convey what your video is about? These are crucial factors that can help improve your chances of being recommended by the algorithm. Climax key moment. All right, here's the key insight that could really change the game for you. Optimizing your video titles and descriptions is absolutely critical. You want to use keywords that your target audience is searching for. Think about what problems they're trying to solve and tailor your titles accordingly. For example, instead of naming a video JavaScript Basics, try Master JavaScript in 10 Minutes, a beginner's guide. This not only grabs attention, but also improves your chances of appearing in search results. Additionally, don't overlook the power of your video descriptions. Use this space to give a brief overview of the content, include links to related videos, and even timestamps for easy navigation. These simple tweaks could elevate your visibility and engagement significantly. Conclusion, summary. So, to wrap things up, we've discussed how YouTube's algorithm is changing the game for software developers. By understanding these changes and adapting your content strategy, like focusing on viewer engagement and optimizing your titles, you can enhance your visibility and connect with a wider audience. Remember, it's all about adapting to stay relevant in this fast-paced digital world. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. What have your experiences been with YouTube's algorithm? Have you found any strategies that work for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights on content creation and growing your tech brand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.